Big news this morning. There was panic after several schools in Delhi and Noida were evacuated after receiving a bomb threat via email. Police officials, though, visited the sites, conducted thorough searches, search operations, and nothing was found. And there were, in fact, dozens of schools that received this hoax email. Now the LG of Delhi has said that the origin of the hoax email has been traced, that there's no need to panic. So a big update there from the Delhi LG saying that the police has managed to trace the origin of these emails that have caused this huge panic with the dozens of schools receiving this hoax email of a bomb threat and many parents rushing to school and taking away their children. However, the police are reassuring everyone that there's no need to panic as they have done the checks and nothing threatening was found. Let's just listen in to what LG VK Saxena said and also what was said to us by the police in a phone interview.
मैं इस बात को दिल्ली की जनता को एश्योर करना चाहता हूं कि दिल्ली पुलिस पूरी तरीके से मुस्तैद है और हमारी कोशिश होगी कि हम किसी भी अप्रिय घटना को नहीं होने दें। दिल्ली पुलिस ने अभी पता कर लिया है कि ये मेल्स कहां से आ रहे हैं, जांच चल रही है। मैं इतना ही सिर्फ कहना चाहूँगा कि जो कल्प्रिट्स हैं बख्शे नहीं जाएंगे और उनको बहुत सख्त सजा मिलेगी जिन्होंने भी दिल्ली में अमन चैन को तोड़ने की कोशिश की है।
I would like to state that we have received multiple calls from schools regarding the threat of planting bombs in them. So we are taking all appropriate measures. Thorough checks are being done at all the locations from wherever we are receiving these information. So nothing untoward has been found in any of these schools. So I guess the primary objective looks like it was to create a panic. So I request all the parents not to panic. Let us do our job and thorough investigation will be done on why and how it has happened. Because it has been done in a very systematic way where multiple schools at the same time have been given this information. So primary objective could be to spread panic. So that's why I would like to tell the parents not to panic. We are doing whatever is required to ensure safety and security of all the schools and children. So not to panic is the motto. Just remember that we are doing everything possible and up till now we have been searching, we have been taking all precautionary measures and nothing has been found. That's the key.
ये बेसिकली जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिली तो सुबह 4:15 बजे के आसपास कई जगह सेम मेल कंटेंट सबको मेल किया गया और इसके बाद हमने इमीडिएटली वी स्वंग इनटू एक्शन और हमने सारे प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर्स लेते हुए बच्चों की सिक्योरिटी देखते हुए सब जगह चेकिंग कराई और स्कूल्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के साथ डिसीजन लेते हुए कई जगह को स्कूल्स को बच्चों को जो अपने वो घर भी चले गए हैं और सभी स्कूल्स में चेकिंग अभी जारी है और ये जो मेल है इस पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हमारी दिल्ली पुलिस की जितनी भी टेक्निकल इन्वेस्टिगेशन विंग्स हैं सारी कर रही हैं और फर्दर अभी इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हैं।
हमें अपनी जांच में फिलहाल कुछ नहीं मिला है तो ये मदर मेरी स्कूल की कहानी है उसकी तस्वीर है और मैं आपको एक बार फिर
सर क्या कुछ वाकया है? आप लोगों ने जांच पड़ताल किया है वहाँ पर? पूरा स्कूल चेक हो गया है?
All right, let's go across to Tanushka now for the very latest. And Tanushka, the Delhi LG has said the origin of the emails traced and even some suggestions it's been traced to some Russian account. Give us the latest that we know.
Right, so officials do say that prima facie the emails have been traced to Russia. It's supposed that the emails have been sent from Russia and central agencies are also currently investigating into the matter. However, what we know latest is that the police took a little while to trace the IP address of the emails sent because they were sent on a virtual private network, that is a VPN network, and the network server was constantly routed and rerouted so that it was made difficult to trace. But right now officials say that the emails have been traced back to Russia. That is what we have right now, and These emails were sent over 100 schools spanned Delhi at around 4:15 in the morning, after which Delhi police took swift control of the situation and has managed to contain the panic in the national capital. Bomb squads were deployed. There was Delhi fire services teams. Everyone has confirmed that there is nothing suspicious that has been found from the schools. I'm at Sanskriti school right now, and outside of this as well, Delhi police personnel as well as the bomb squad personnel left, and they also said that nothing suspicious has been found. They maintain that this is a bomb hoax and there is nothing to panic about at the moment.